Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm making this super quick video just because I was just doing a little bit of organizing with my makeup. That's why you can see all my palettes sitting there. I was just going through and inventorying them a little bit and doing that kind of stuff. I'm like, honestly, I'm like ready for bed. I know it's only 7:30, but I like got into like my PJs and I was all comfy and I had to quickly throw on a bra underneath my PJs so I could film this video because there's been like some sort of breaking news stuff happening in the beauty community tonight, and that is that just a little while ago I came across this as I was doing my makeup stuff. I was just like looking for something to watch. That's my iPad sitting there, so I was like going through on my iPad looking for something to watch, and it came up, and a video by Nikkie tutorials titled "I'm Coming Out," and so I was confused because I was like, I'm pretty sure she's not a lesbian. Like, I thought that she had a boyfriend and all that stuff. So, I clicked on it because I was like, what is this? And it was her actually coming out at, like, I'm going to link the video down below because I don't want to be the one to, like, break the news to you. It should be her. So if you haven't watched that video yet, like, go watch the video first. But, basically, she came out as transgender, which was, like, a total shocker to me. Like, I am aware of Nikkie tutorials. Like, I've seen lots of her videos and stuff like that before. But you know, I was never like, I'm not like a hardcore fan where I've seen like every single one of her videos or anything, but I have seen her videos in the past, and like she goes like and does makeup tutorials from scratch with bare face and everything right up to the finished product. And like I mean, she's like so passable as a biological woman. Like, I would never have guessed she was actually born male. Like, that's insane to me. Like, I was literally mind blown to find out that she was like, not that it matters. I mean, she's still cool. Like, everything's the same. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It would take a pretty, well, a certain type of person, let's just say, to all of a sudden be like, oh, now I don't like her or something. Like, that would be pretty stupid. But she seemed really anxious in her video about sharing this publicly and stuff, that people were gonna like feel like they couldn't trust her and stuff now. And I think like she's definitely worried for nothing. Like, I'm sure like all of her fans are like, no one's gonna care. And sorry if you hear those noises, my cats are going nuts in the background. But anyway, yeah, so yeah, just kind of shocking news there when and I'm so glad that she decided to like come out and share this, because she mentioned in the video that she was kind of forced into it because she had some people who knew about this. I assume from like she said she started transitioning when she was like a child, like 8 or 9, like maybe not medically, but like she dressed as a girl and stuff since like a very early age. So whoever it was that was blackmailing her with this information and threatening to go to the media and like expose her or whatever must have been somebody from years and years ago, because I mean, in my opinion, like, she's been doing YouTube for so long, and in my opinion has always been passable. Like, there was never, from at least what I've seen, like I said, like I wasn't following her from like day one of when she started her channel, but like all the videos I've seen of her, there was never like a period of time where she, I feel like, looked a lot different or like anything like that. So that's why I was like so shocked about it. And this is Alaska. It's almost her time for her dinner, so she's getting very anxious and coming up and sitting right in front of me to let me know that she wants her food. So just don't mind her. She'll have to be patient. But yeah, I didn't have like too much to say in this video, except for the fact that I'm like so proud of her for coming out and like and like facing her obvious, I mean, I wouldn't say fear, but you know, her obvious anxiety about sharing this with everybody. Like, you could tell in the video she was very anxious about it. But I'm so glad that she was able to overcome that and like share her story, a little bit of her story with the world. And I think like that takes incredible courage, and especially being like a beauty and makeup YouTuber, like I'm sure that was some added pressure there, because that is kind of like an especially like female type of content, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I was like so like touched by watching her video, and I just wanted to make this quick video because mostly just to hear what you guys thought about like hearing that. Like, I'm sure you guys saw the video tonight. Probably everyone who subscribes to me also subscribes to her, or at least saw it. It's #1 on trending right now on YouTube. So I'm sure you guys have heard. So yeah, comment down below like what you guys think of the breaking news, like what you guys think of the fact that she was being blackmailed and just the whole thing. Like, I'm just curious to hear your thoughts on it. Anyway, so that's all I have to say. I'm gonna get back to my cleaning for tonight. So I just wanted to really jump on real quick and just kind of like address that sort of breaking situation. And yeah, it's been quite the 2020 so far with the beauty community. First with the Jeffree Star breakup announcement, which was, I believe, only a couple of days ago, maybe yesterday or something, and now this coming up today. So crazy, right? So yeah, if you liked this video, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you like beauty content. Like, I talk about some of the beauty community. I talk about makeup, lots of like my own reviews and stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, go check out my channel and give me a like on this video, and give my channel, click the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.